Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. We're starting in a comfortable cross-legged position, relaxing our hands on our knees, taking some deep breaths. Lower your right ear to your right shoulder. Begin to turn your head, bringing your chin to your right shoulder as you place your right hand on top of your head, extending your left arm out to the side. Relax your arms, bringing your chin to your chest. Lift your head back up, coming to center as you lower your left ear down to your left shoulder. Turn your head, bringing your chin to your left shoulder, placing the left hand on top of your head, extending your right arm out to the side. Relax your arms, bringing your chin to your chest. And now you lift your head back up. Let's bring our right ear to our right shoulder again. And now drop your head back, chin to ceiling. Left ear to left shoulder. And now bring your chin back to your chest. This time, let's bring our left ear to our left shoulder. Drop your head back, right ear to right shoulder, and chin to chest. Lift your head back up, coming into a side body stretch, raising that left arm up and over. Lower your left hand in front of you on the bed. And now reach your left arm up and back, opening your chest up towards the ceiling. Again, reach that left arm forward, touching the bed. And now reach up and back. Reach down in front of you one more time. And now walk your hands to the middle, coming into that cross-legged forward fold. Relax your head, your neck, and your shoulders. Let's come into our side body stretch, this time reaching that right arm over. And now we reach our right arm up and back, opening the chest up towards the ceiling. And reach forward, bringing that right hand down to the bed. Again, reach up and back. And reach forward. Walk your hands to the middle, coming into your cross-legged forward fold, maybe going a little bit deeper than last time. Slowly roll back up Raise your arms overhead, touching at the top. Twist to the left, bringing your right hand on top of your left knee, maybe looking over that left shoulder. Come back to center as you sweep your arms up overhead, touching at the top. And now we twist to the right. Come back to center, bringing your legs into a butterfly position with the soles of the feet touching. Walk your hands forward, coming into your forward fold. We slowly rise back up, extending our right leg out to the side, coming into our side body stretch, lifting that left arm up and over. Turn to face your right leg, coming into that forward fold, walking your hands forward. Let's make our way back up, going to the other side. So we bend that right leg, straighten that left leg out to the side, coming into your side body stretch. Turn to face your leg, coming into your forward fold. Let's come back up, extending both legs out to the side in our straddle. And we walk our hands forward. Make your way back up. As you close your legs together, I'm going to face the side so that you can see me a little bit better for these next poses. Interlace your fingers together, pressing your palms forward as you reach up and back, dropping your head back, arching your back. And now you round your spine, pressing your palms forward, tucking your chin in towards your chest. Again, we reach up and back, arching the back. And we round our spine, tucking our chin in towards the chest. One more time, we reach up and back. And now we round our spine, this time coming into a forward fold, flexing the toes. Make your way onto your back, keeping your knees bent. Extend your right leg up towards the ceiling, grabbing behind your right hamstring, flexing and pointing your right foot. Keep your foot flexed as you pull your leg closer towards you. Make your way into your figure 4, placing your right ankle on top of your left knee. And you can stay just like this, or you can float the legs up towards you, grabbing in front of that left knee or behind the left hamstring. Release and unwind your legs as you extend your left leg up towards the ceiling, flexing and pointing your foot. Keep your foot flexed as you pull it closer towards you. Make your way into your figure 4. Come out of your figure 4 as you hug your knees in close to your chest. Drop both legs over to the left side of the room, coming into your stacked supine twist. That right leg is stacked on top of your left leg. Switch sides. Make your way into your waterfall pose, extending both legs up towards the ceiling. Open your legs, coming into your happy baby. You can grab for the feet or the legs. If you want to go a little bit deeper, you can straighten both legs right now. And let's end by coming into our butterfly, placing your hands on your low belly and taking some deep breaths. Take one more deep breath in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including longer classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.